Hi.
Really? That's how you're gonna start this? Hey fam, CJ Jamie. Sifu Larry. Yeah, he really is a Sifu. I know. It's crazy.
So the reason why we're shooting this video is we were watching one of Dominic Izzo's videos.
Right here. What's up, Dominic?
And he was and then he has a series that he does and he just addresses a lot of comments.
And we've actually been thinking about doing this for a long time. Like for years, I've been like, we really should do a series. And so thank you, Dominic, for doing what you did, because it's finally getting us to do just that. Much appreciated, brother.
So I recently put up this old video of me just doing some chi sao flowing, practicing type stuff that I was doing with my students. I don't know, the video's like 7 years old maybe.
And you had a lot of love on this. A lot. And then we had a keyboard warrior that showed up, and boy,
No.
They show up.
He has a name. She's John Doe.
He's still a keyboard warrior.
So we go over.
Look, I don't even know who John Doe is.
He's
look,
John Doe.
You don't think that's a play on John Doe, D-O-E,
let's
bro?
go look at his videos.
I have a feeling it is.
Well, how about his playlist?
Look, there's not even a photo of John
some
Doe.
channels
And he's only got 5 subscribers.
What is he about?
Well, he did join on March 16th of 2021.
I think this guy is a guy who has been on our YouTube channel for years. I can't remember.
I cannot. I know who you're talking about, and I bet you if Sifu was here, that he would know exactly that guy's name. Unfortunately,
I think he changed his name.
You mean re-signed up too? So, the other guy's been haunting us for years. So
that particular dude, John Doe.
Hold on. You got to click on the read more
because they got
no. The first one.
Oh, the first one.
Look.
Oh.
This guy wrote like a mini ebook on the subject, okay? I mean,
whoa. That's a lot.
I don't even know how this man, or I'm assuming it's a man, John Doe, because, you know, it's 2022, y'all. Won't even go there. I don't know how they have all this time to spend critiquing every little second and writing literally an ebook on the topic. I think maybe they should get their own like blog or something like that. They're definitely a writer. They should do something with
or
that.
You know, they could put like a video up, or even a picture. A picture would be nice.
Yeah, maybe do a video explaining your critiques and stuff. And also maybe like, did they ever let you know who they were actually speaking to?
Yeah. All of us, we're all scrubs.
Oh,
everyone's a scrub.
Everyone's a scrub. Yeah. That's so amazing. Well, John Doe, next time, make sure you put a video up.
Wait.
Picture.
It's the same issue seen between all of us.
Oh,
He's just picking spots of the video that showcase some of these issues visually.
It's definitely not the same. Oh, and he's got a problem with long sleeve shirts.
Yeah.
Look, John, you need to be able to fight regardless of what you're wearing, like all the time. So we like to practice in things that are practical that we're probably going to be wearing on a regular basis. So I don't know about you, but that's how we roll here at Enter Shellin. And that's more practical.
It's like, yo, man, I'm 46 years old. 46. I've been training with Sifu Fu for 27 years, and I was training in martial arts since I was 7. And I've lived a life doing martial art things. I never competed in the ring. I never done stuff like that, but I did have jobs where I had to make sure that like I knew stuff and it like worked. And you know, I believe test and prove all things. I think most sincere martial artists believe in test and prove in all things. And I'm certainly for constructive criticism, and I'm open to conversations, and I like to learn new things. But when you come here and you say like stuff, and you're vomiting out the mouth, and then to back up everything you're saying, you have zilch, nada, nothing. It's like you're some dude in your underwear, right?
Facebook,
on the keyboard, typing away, Mr. Tough guy, because you know so much. No, that's not how you can. It means all that you did was take up space.
A lot of space.
On stuff.
I can't believe how much space you took up, John. I think there would have been a shorter way to go about this. And also, John,
I would have been like, here's some constructive criticism. Larry, you suck. I'm like, well, it's short, sweet, to the point. What is this shizzle?
No. So let me give you
shite.
John Doe. Let me give you some constructive criticism, right? Some constructive criticism on how to leave a proper comment, on being constructive with your criticisms. Leave a couple points and say, hey, I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing this implemented later on. And that's it. Because guess what? No one is going to read all this. I'm not reading all this. I don't think anyone on this channel is going to read any of this. None of the followers that follow the channel.
Well, I like the constructive criticism part.
Yeah, I mean, thanks for the header and the warning ahead of time. But what I'm
He
saying
did let us know. He
is
did say part one.
just a
It was going to
couple
be long.
things, just a couple things.
And then,
so they have some time to work on your criticism,
okay, that's enough.
if they're even
That's
interested.
enough. John Doe, like, unless you want to actually be a real human being and you want to, you know, put some kind of money where your mouth is, like, you know, show a picture of yourself, a video,
vlog,
something showing you do any kind of martial arts at all. If not, I'm going to assume that you're a fat dude sitting behind a keyboard in your underwear and a wife beater shirt, smoking a cigarette, and
Oh, come on. Let's not assume. You know what they say about that. Let's not be like John, okay, Doe. And
John Doe?
Let's not
John Doe.
Let's not assume that.
Mr. Big Bad John Doe?
I actually like what Dominic said, because Dominic, I feel like maybe we're like kindred spirits, because
This guy.
This is Dominic.
Love
Izzo.
Dominic.
Love him so
him.
much. Hopefully we can all meet up one day. But he actually issued several times and sent some of these videos that he's been doing where he's like, look, if you want to come out to where I'm
You gotta
at
have a waiver.
Chicago,
I agree with him, dude.
and
I'm just gonna assume you want to fight.
Sign a waiver and all this different stuff. Go ahead. And we have issued the same thing before. So John Doe, if you'd like to come to South Jersey, feel free to reach out to us. It's 1-844-9 Kung Fu. Give us a call. If we're not available, leave a message with your name and number and the reason you're calling, and we can set something up. Or email me at support@entershellen.com and let me know who you are and that you'd like to come out and test both of our Sifu skill out and stuff like that. We're gonna have you sign a waiver, just like Dominic said. You're gonna have to sign a waiver, and we are gonna film it, and that's gonna be part of the waiver too, is that whatever happens, it's going up here on YouTube. So as long as you're okay with that, we're okay with that, and we'd love to have you out here in South Jersey and come check out what we do at Entershellen and Tai Chi.
At least causing trouble you are. Anyways, moving along. So here we go. Here's another video. Sifu Fu is
we're
given
doing more than one?
Well, you know why? Because this one.
This one has
I looked, it has like 1.2 million views.
It was very controversial, apparently. Who knew?
But you got some really great comments, and then you got some, it's a shame that boxers don't use this, some good stuff, and then you got stuff where it's not.
If that giant dude would have swung real hard. That giant dude is Gil, and Gil, if he was here right now, would totally tell you are so wrong. Who is this person?
So here's another. I like this. Like,
hold on. No, go back.
Which one are we looking at? Which one?
Kona. Just so you know, if Gil was here, he'd be like laughing at you for that comment. Because the more we go, the more it hurts.
Breathe.
Oh, I'm breathing, sweetie.
Oh, shit. Okay, no. So really, the point here is the whole lesson is about getting your base. It's about getting your base. It's not about a street fight. It's about getting your base. It's a short, little, goofy TikTok lesson that provides some value on some part of the structure that a person can develop. And then there's all these comments of people making assumptions. And I asked, like, they didn't listen to the video.
They just watched, and they had no idea what they were watching, and they did not listen. There's no way. Another thing that we get a lot from these keyboard warriors is because they don't actually watch the videos and they don't actually listen to them. They have no idea what's going on. Sifu Fu has a tendency to help people learn, show them what it looks like when you do it wrong, and what it looks like when you do it right. So we'll get like people always talking smack about the wrong version. It's like he showed you that intentionally so you know how to know when you do it wrong. It's just not rocket science, y'all. Pay attention, keyboard warriors.
So I don't know where we're going to
watch.
What?
Just watch the videos. Listen.
Hang on a second. Stop. See, you can see the passion that's coming out of her. The reason is how long have we? I created Enter Tai Chi's YouTube channel back in 2008. No, was it earlier than that? No, it was 2008.
No, it was 2008.
2008, and she helps with doing the comments and doing all the stuff in Entershellen and the comments that come. And we always think to ourselves, well, maybe one day we'll do something and respond. And then we saw Dominic. Izzo,
shout out again, brother.
Doing some response, and I'm like,
make sure you subscribe to his channel if you're not already.
You're right. I'm like, hell yeah, dude. This dude knows what's up. So, I was like, screw it. We'll start doing because look, we get this kind of stuff. Like I'm trying to do stuff with my life, and I get like
We got
a dissertation. It's like
to
a
help.
paper. It's like this dude wrote a paper or like
That's
a
what I'm
report.
saying. It's a report. It's an ebook. I don't even know. Like it's a lot. Like it's a pillar blog post. I can even talk. Pillar blog post.
Oh, I don't even know what's going on.
It's so long.
I don't know what's going on. Anyways,
It's so long.
this is just one. There's a lot. We've been doing this for a few years, a lot of years. There's a lot of comments that we might just pull out and talk about you because we like to talk about us. Why not? Anyways.
Why not? Troll the trollers.
trollers. Yeah.
Maybe that's what we'll call this.
Troll the trollers.
trollers. Maybe.
Anyways.
Help us come up with we're gonna create like an actual series out of this. What do you guys think? Should it be like, outing the keyboard warriors, trolling the trollers? Let us know what you think we should call this series. Or if you have some name suggestions, chime in down below.
Word.
And subscribe if you haven't already. Give
Word.
us a like. And again, if you haven't already, go check out Dominic Izzo.
Word. Yeah, this dude. He rocks.
Bam.
All right, guys. Take care. Talk to you soon.
All right. Peace, fam.